Why do 90% of Samsung users never use these secret codes? Are you missing out on your phone's true potential? Get ready to level up your Galaxy with these hidden tricks. Let's dive in. First up, O6 War. Instantly reveal your phone's IMEI number. Super handy for security. Next, Naur. Open the hidden test menu to check your screen, speakers, and sensors. Need to check your software version? Just punch in 1034 reals. For battery geeks, 10228 TAS gives you all the juicy battery stats. Feeling advanced? 9900 DAS open SysDump mode to help fix performance issues. Switch up your USB settings with DA 808 TAS, perfect for file transfers or debugging. Trouble with your touchscreen or Wi-Fi? Check firmware with BA2663 BAO. Want a quick device check? 7353 Tree runs rapid tests on key features. Get both hardware and software info with 369 Trees. And finally, warning, 3855 Tree will factory reset your phone. Back up everything first. Try these codes but always use caution.